Hi, this is Mel Palmer from Mesa, Arizona. Today I'm talking a little bit about the finger lime tree. This tree is native to Australia, but they grow great anywhere where citrus trees will grow. So they'll grow great here in Maricopa County, Arizona. You can grow them in pots, so you could grow them in about any region as long as you bring them in when it's going to get cold. They're cold tolerant down to about the mid-20s, but they can have damage anything below 25 degrees Fahrenheit, just like a regular citrus tree. The leaves are kind of small leaves on them. It's not, but if you look at them, they do look like a citrus leaf. Um, they're just a lot smaller than a regular citrus leaf. They do have thorns, as you can see in the picture here. They have some thorns on them there, uh, kind of like a regular lemon tree or lime tree. There's all different colors, as you can see in the picture here. There's red finger limes, yellow finger limes, pink ones, and dark ones. Yeah. So there's all different colors. As you can see here, I broke a couple of them open. These are the finger limes. And if you look at it, and get it focused there, there's like little tiny round balls inside there. And those little round balls, when you bite into them, let me go ahead and bite into some of these. You can actually hear them popping. And as you look at it, it's about the size of my little finger there. That's why they're called a finger lime. The flavor is kind of a light lime flavor. It's not a real strong lime flavor. It's like a regular lime. And they do have a lot of vitamin C, just like a regular lime has a lot of vitamin C. They like a pH of the soil of about 5.5 to 7. They'll grow in zones 8 to 11. Now, because you can put them in a pot and they can grow in a pot like this, this is a 5-gallon pot, and you can grow, and it's been producing in this size pot. So you could grow them just about any region as long as you bring them in when it starts to get cold. They'll take temperatures down to about 25 degrees. They're best above 40 degrees and do great at temperatures above 100 degrees. So they're pretty tolerant on the temperature zones that they'll grow in. They're from Australia, and so that's why the scientific name is Microcitrus australacea. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but Australacea, because they're from Australia, it has that in the name, the scientific name. The leaves, if you look at them, are smaller, but they do have the shape of a regular citrus leaf. And if you look there close, you can see some thorns. So there are thorns on these trees. They can get up to about 15 to 20 feet tall at the tallest. But if you keep them in a pot, they're going to be smaller, depending on the size pot you have them in, on what they're going to grow in, on what size they're going to be. But you might want to try a finger lime tree. They can propagate them by seed, but if you propagate them by seed, it can take up to 8 to 15 years for them to produce fruit. But if you get a grafted tree like this one, so you can see right here, there's a graft. There's a graft right here where they grafted this one. A grafted tree can produce in about 2 years to start producing fruit. And so that's what this one is, it has a grafted tree on there. So you might want to look for a grafted tree if you're out looking at these things. They don't have them at all the nurseries, but some of the specialty tropical nurseries, you'll be able to find these trees in the tropical nurseries. But if you have any comments or anything like that, you can put them in the comment area. If you have any questions, ask whatever questions you want, and I'll try to get the answers for you. If you like this video, please like it, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe, but if you hit subscribe and hit the bell, you'll get notifications of future videos that I've done and of other videos that I've done in the past. I've done videos on a lot of different types of trees, like an Indian cluster fig, jaboticaba trees, mango trees, avocado trees. So go ahead and subscribe and take a look at the videos. I try to help people to grow trees in this area that aren't common to this area, or not commonly known to people. So go in there and check it out, and try to start yourself a lime tree. finger lime tree. Thank you very much for joining today. My name is Mel. Have a nice day.